Chapter 4, Exercise 4.132. A metal forms an oxide with the formula MO. M denotes the metal, and we notice there's a 1-to-1 ratio between the metal and oxygen. Part A. If the oxide contains 63.97% oxygen by mass, what is the identity of the metal? To tackle the problem, we can first calculate the molar mass of the metal and then use the periodic table to determine the identity of the metal. And to get the molar mass, one way is to have mass over the number of moles. Alright, this is how we get the molar mass. And we do not have the mass of the metal or the number of moles of the metal. However, what we can do is we can assume that we have 100 grams of such compound, MO. And then we can compute the mass of oxygen and the mass of the metal. What about the number of moles of the metal? Well, because in this formula we have a 1-to-1 relation. Therefore, we just need to determine the number of moles of oxygen, and that's also the number of moles of the metal. So let's use this formula. What's the mass of the metal? Well, 100 grams in total, and the oxygen is 63.97. Now we have the mass of the metal on top. What about the number of moles? Again, we'll just use the number of moles of oxygen. Here we have this much oxygen in grams, and then divided by its molar mass. Alright, and then we can click the equal sign to see the result, or we have the result over here already, 9.01, and that's beryllium.